Hi everyone, my name is Konstantin. I am representative of the Standartplast plant and the head of the official installation center STP Install. Today we are going to tell you about car soundproofing and how we do it. Before we start installation, we have to prepare the car. We have to take down seats and carpets and remove internal panels from doors and other plastic elements which will be covered with the material. All the surfaces we are going to install the material on should be clean and unoiled. Roof soundproofing. We take the plastic coating off the roof, clean and unoil the surface. At the first layer, we apply the vibration damping material STP Aero and roll it down firmly with a special roller. Avoid air blisters formation, they will accumulate condensate. We can control the quality of rolling down if we look at the foil embossment. If the texture is almost unseen, we roll the material down properly. After the first layer, we apply the second one. We use the 10mm STP Plast. Take the protective film off and feed the material to the previously applied sheet of STP Aero. Door soundproofing. We remove the door trim panels. We don't remove the lock and the window lift mechanism, they won't hinder installation. We clean the surfaces of dirt and the factory installed sound damper if it peels off and can be removed. We don't have to annul horizontal or sometimes vertical stiffness, since we won't apply the materials to them because the cavities, which form on the bands, won't let us roll the material down firmly. If the material is not rolled down firmly, it forms air blisters and accumulated condensate causes metal corrosion. We install the vibration damping material STP Aero as the first layer. It is a 2mm thick mastic material for damping vibration on the external metal coating. To install the first layer, we have to measure the size. You can use a ruler or a tape line. It's better to leave some spare areas near stiffeners, thus we can roll the material down firmly. All the parts of the material must be rolled down. We remove the protective film and apply the material, press it firmly with the hand. Don't overlap the layers, they fit in quite well. After that, we roll the material down with a special roller. After the first layer, we apply the second one. In our case, it's STP Accent 6mm. It's an effective sound-absorbing and heat-insulating material. The main advantage of the material is its waterproof property. We cut it the same size as the vibration damper and apply STP Accent over STP Aero. We don't have to roll it down with the roller, it'll be enough just to press it firmly with the hand. Initially, there was a factory-installed material on the door which covered manufacturing holes. We replace it with the vibration damping material we used before, STP Aero. Apart from its main function, vibration damping, STP Aero will also serve as a vapor-proof and waterproof material. Upon applying, we have to roll the material down with the roller. After covering manufacturing holes, we proceed to the door trim panels. Here we use the 10mm thick STP Plast. Initially there was a factory-installed soundproofing material on the plastic panel, we have to take it off. We clean and unoil the surface. After that, we apply the material. STP Plast is sound absorption and heat insulating material. Floor soundproofing. The floor is the most vibration-loaded element of the vehicle and we need 3 layers on the material for it. At the first layer we use STP Aero 2.3mm. It's a vibration-damping mastic material. We apply it to the clean and unoiled surface. The second layer is STP Accent 6mm. The main advantage of this material is its waterproof property cut into moisture-curing glue layer. The third layer is the sound insulator STP Noise Block 2mm. It mustn't be applied to the internal material directly, it can be used only as a third layer. We apply the second layer. The third layer, STP Noise Block, is a heavy mastic material, so it can be used only on horizontal surfaces because it can detach itself by gravity. Trunk soundproofing. 2 layers of the trunk floor will be the same as the layers of interior floor. At the first layer, we use STP Aero 2.3 mm. At the second, STP Accent 6 mm. The third layer is STP Noise Block 2 mm. The only difference is in the internal surface of back wheel arcs. Here is the first layer. We apply STP Bomb Aero 4.3 mm. Since it's bitumen mastic, we have to use a heat gun to install it. The noise-absorbing material STP B Plus 10 mm is applied at the second layer. The third layer is STP Noise Block 2 mm. Hood soundproofing. Counter-current air flows cause vibration of the external metal coating. Through the butts it penetrates into the interior and decreases comfort inside the car. To reduce vibration, we apply vibration damping material STP Aero 2.3 mm and roll it down firmly.